I also might just add one more comment around kind of ownership economy, how we're thinking about it, because I think we heard really good examples on ESOPs. We're doing work there too. We heard really good examples around MBS. We're doing work there, but I think we'd be remiss, at least from my perspective, not to mention catalytic capital and blended finance and how that plays a role. I'm seeing such an enormous amount of demand from foundations here in the US, more than I've ever seen before, actually since the election, with this idea that, look, in the lack of funding in some areas, as the government pulls back, foundations see a need to actually step up and put more capital into some of these areas. A really interesting opportunity that we've been involved with is called the Community Preservation Corporation, CPC. They've done a lot of work here in New York City. They just did a blended finance vehicle, $370 million specifically for Harlem in New York. It's an affordable housing project. It's a project that not only converts to Section 8, but also retrofits and redoes the entire complex. So we don't just want Section 8, we want high quality, environmentally friendly housing there as well. And third, they've created pathways to rent to ownership within a pretty interesting structure around how they do that. So I just want to note that I think ownership economy can be invested across the entire portfolio, even in that catalytic lens that I see a lot of demand for.